When Bollywood's favorite fashion godfather, Manish Malhotra, hosts a Diwali party, it's not just an event, it's an unforgettable celebration of glamour and style. The annual Diwali Bash at his Mumbai bungalow became the city's ultimate runway meets reunion moment. With stars shimmering brighter than the lamps outside, the evening brought together the who's who of Bollywood under one roof for a night filled with high fashion, luxury, and pure Bollywood magic. The venue was a visual delight. Inside the party, hanging candles, a spread of delicious delicacies, and red flowers set the tone for an enchanting evening. As always, the party's guest list was star-studded, with Bollywood's elite in their best festive attire. But if anyone stole the spotlight that night, it was Kareena Kapoor Khan, whose viral video of her spinning in an ivory, bejeweled anarkali has taken the internet by storm. The actress looked nothing short of regal and effortlessly classy as she twirled, radiating elegance with every move. Though Shah Rukh Khan didn't make an appearance on the red carpet, the superstar was spotted inside, enjoying the evening and even posing for photos with Manish Malhotra. The party also saw Bollywood's glitterati come together for group selfies and fun moments. Urmila Matondkar, Nusrat Bharucha, and Sophie Chaudhary looked glamorous as ever, posing for a selfie that quickly made its rounds on social media. The dance floor came alive as Apar Shakti Khurrana and Avinash Tiwari set the stage on fire with their energetic moves. Aditi Rao Hydari took a moment to pose with Arhan Khan and Nirvan Khan, forming an unexpected yet delightful trio. Taha Shah Badushah, sharing some intimate moments from the party on his Instagram, gave fans a glimpse into the glamorous evening. One photo featured him with the iconic Hema Malini, both glowing in pastel ensembles. Another image saw him posing with the talented filmmaker Vishal Bharadwaj, dressed in a classic black kurta. Taha's joyful moments continued as he posed with Apar Shakti Khurrana, both flashing bright smiles. Perhaps the most talked about moment of the night was when Suhana Khan and Agastya Nanda were seen dancing to the beats of the classic song, Kajra Re. Though they didn't arrive together, the duo lit up the dance floor, with Suhana looking stunning in a purple sari with a statement belt, while Agastya looked dashing in a black kurta pajama. Actress Nusrat Bharucha also shared behind-the-scenes footage of the party, where she was seen grooving with Siddhant Chaturvedi, Meejan Jafri, Avinash Tiwari, and others to Salman Khan's song, You're My Love. The night was filled with laughter, music, and star-studded fun. The evening wrapped up with a selfie from Taha Shah with the host himself, Manish Malhotra, as Taha wrote in his heartfelt caption about last night, with the best host ever, Manish Malhotra. With its blend of fashion, fun, and unforgettable moments, Manish Malhotra's Diwali Bash 2025 has set the bar for festive celebrations in Bollywood. It was a night that will surely be remembered for years to come.